In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and verify a bank account in the Gumtree mobile app. First, open the Gumtree app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen, My Gumtree, then go to Payments. Here you'll see two sections, Payment Methods and Bank Account. Under Bank Account, click on Add Bank Account. You'll see this window, click on Get Started, and fill out date of birth and nationality, then click Next. Then add your address, fill in your name and phone number, and click Save Address. You can see your address has been added. Then set up your two-factor authentication and enter your bank account details, account holder's name, account number, and sort code, and click Next. After you save it, Gumtree will start the verification process. They'll send a small test deposit to your bank. This usually arrives within a day. Once you receive that deposit, open the Gumtree app again, go back to your payment settings, and enter the exact amount they sent. This confirms your ownership, and your bank account will be fully verified. And that's it. That's how you add and verify a bank account in the Gumtree mobile app. Thanks for watching.